Hello friends, welcome to the analysis of the QA section of mock 21. Now, as I can see this mock paper, I feel that the level of difficulty is somewhere around moderate. If I look at the overall level of difficulty, there are some questions which are below moderate, some questions which are above moderate. So if I'll have to rate this QA section of mock 21, I would rate it like overall level of difficulty. I will say that it is somewhere around 6 on 10. All right. So if the level of difficulty, if the scale is from 1 to 10, so I'll rate it at somewhere around 6. So let's begin with solving the first question of this mock. Now, this question is based on the concept of profit, loss, and discount, and a very simple question. Probably you may find it slightly lengthy because there are two cases that you will have to consider. But if you look at the overall time in which this question should be finished, so an average student should be able to finish this question in somewhere around 1.5 minutes, even less than that. Okay, so let's solve this. Now, Nikhil bought a mobile phone for rupees 18,000. So cost price is given as 18,000. So for both cases, obviously it will be 18,000. Now, in the first case, he marked it up by X percentage. So market price in the first case will become 18,000 plus X percentage of 18,000. So if you calculate X percentage of 18,000, X upon 100 into 18,000, you will get 180X. Now he gave a discount of 33.33 percentage. That means one third. So after giving a discount of one third, the selling price will be two third of the mark price. So it will be two third of 18,000, that is 12,000, plus two third of 180, that is 120x, right? Now if you'll approach these questions in the way that I have done, then you will be able to save plenty of time. If you'll keep on writing each and everything, if you'll write X percentage of 18,000, if you'll write 33 percentage of 18,000 plus 180x, then it will consume plenty of time. So a little bit of practice and you can handle the questions in a much better way. You will have to write less, there will be less complexity and hence less error, right? So this is the selling price in the first case. Now let's make the second case. Now instead, if he marked it up by 2.5 percentage of X, so that means if the markup percentage of 2.5 X percentage, so in that case it will be 18,000, that is the cost price, plus 2.5%, 2.5x percentage of 18,000. That will come out to be 450x, right? What I've done is I've just multiplied 180 by 2.5. Earlier it was x percentage, now it is 2.5x percentage. So 180 को 2.5 से multiply कर दो, you will get 450, right? Now selling price in the second case will be after giving a discount of 50%. So 50% is the discount. So selling price will be half the market price. So it will become 9,000 plus 225x. So selling price in the first case, selling price in the second case. Now in the second case, he has earned 2250 rupees more. So second price, selling price in the second case is more than selling price in the first case by 2250. So SP2 minus SP1 will be equal to 2250. Make an equation, solve for x, get the value of x, and substitute to find out whatever they have asked. So selling price 2 minus selling price 1, I can write it as 105x minus 3000 is equal to 2250. Solving, I'll get the value of x as 50. Now we'll have to find out the selling price in the second case. Selling price in the second case, that means we have to find out the value of 9,000 plus 225x. So this will be the selling price in the second case. That will be 9,000 plus 225 multiplied by 50. So it will be 911, 25. So 11,250. So that is 20,250 will be the selling price in the second case. The correct answer should be option A. So option A is the correct answer for the first question. All right. Okay. Now let's move on towards the second question. This one was, I could say that, an easy question.